Hello viewers. So today Nifty closed about 190 points plus. So sentiment wise about 32 positive and 18 negative. So out of 32, HDFC Bank, Reliance and ICICI Bank contributed around 60 points out of 190. 60 points contributed by 3 companies. So coming to monthly sentiment also improved a lot. So 30 positive and 20 negative. So ITC, TCS and HCL Tech are the positive side. So majorly today Nifty closed above 25,000, one significant level. So 25,000, which is 100% of last month high. So from last few days we are talking about the next levels, that is 25,000. So once when it was closed about 24,615 level, so the next immediate hurdle was 24,784. So from last 2 days, Thursday and Friday, both days, Nifty was closed above that 24,784, 24,800 level. So today it crossed 25,000 level, which was 100% of last month, that is last month's high. So will it go to 25,237? So we have another 4 more days to close the monthly candle. So there are high chances of probability to touch 25,237 to 25,300 levels in next 4 days. So coming to weekly data, so today's close was about 138.2% of last week's data. So the next hurdle would be around 25,080. Once if it closes 25,080, it may go till 25,300 level. So coming to pivot points, so the major hurdle it is showing somewhere 25,270 to 25,300 level. So monthly pivot points, 2 pivot points are indicating major resistance point. So 25,270 to 25,300. And today market opened somewhere 24,900. So in weekly chart, 24,950 level is major resistance. So first half an hour candle successfully closed above that 24,950 level. So 24,950 is one of the major resistance in weekly pivot points. So support was 24,600 level and the resistance was 24,950. So today's close above 25,000. So 24,950 would be the major support for this week. So as long as it holds 24,950 level, so it may go 25,300 levels. So coming to Banknifty. So Banknifty first time from last week or last 3 to 4 weeks comparison, first time it closed at 51,000 level above. So 50,438 was the last month low, and 23.6% of last month's range was for 51,127. So today's close 51,148. So first time in this month, so Banknifty closed above 23.6% of last month's range. So probably it may retest 51,500 and 51,900 levels, which are 38.2% and 50% of the last week's range. Coming to weekly data, so 51,118 was the last week's high. So today's close was above that level, 51,148. So probably in this week, market may retest 51,600 levels in Nifty. So coming to data points, weekly data points and monthly data points. So 53,000 would be the weekly resistance point. So 50,200 mark is good support. So now it cleared 51,000 level also. Maybe 51,900 and 51,700 would be the major resistance point as far as monthly monthly pivot points levels. So coming to weekly pivot points, so there is big resistance at 51,270 to 51,300. So today exactly it took the resistance somewhere here, weekly resistance level. So tomorrow if it closes above 51,300 levels, and if any 30 minutes candle sustains above that level, so definitely it may go another 500 to 600 points next levels. So coming to IT, so IT today at 41,660 levels, so which is indicating somewhere above that 100% of last month's range. So last month high was 41,381 and today's close was 41,662. So probably it may retest 43,500 levels. So before that, one more important level at 42,630 levels, so which is equal to 123.6% of last month's range. And coming to weekly data, so 41,600 level was cleared today. So still we need to wait for that last week's high, that is 41,834. So tomorrow if it closes above that 41,834 level, it may go till 42,200 levels. So coming to data points of pivot points, so 42,700 would be the monthly hurdle. So today's close was 41,600. So still another 1,000 points are there for the next 4 days actually. So why? Because monthly candle would be closed in next 4 sessions. So 41,700 to 41,900, one more hurdle for weekly data. So these two would be the important levels, 41,700 to 41,900. So that's all about major indices. So coming to heat maps, as per today's data, so Hindalco, HCL Tech, NTPC, Bajaj Finserv, ONGC, Techchem, JSW Steel, Tata Consumers, LTI Mindtree, Titan, Wipro, Divis Lab, M&M, Cipla, LT. So all these improved a lot. So nearly 3 to 4% appreciation in a day. But here there are no much heavyweights. So no Reliance, no HDFC Bank or no ICICI Bank or no Infosys. So all are broad-based counters. So coming to index movers, so we have Nifty 50, Bank Nifty like that. So we added Nifty Plus. So this is the new concept in our Tradabulls application. So whoever is doing Nifty trading, so they may go for Nifty, Nifty Spot and Bank Nifty Spot, IT Nifty and Reliance. So here we are observing 15 strategies. So system always looks for strategies. So out of 15, how many are in positive direction and how many are in negative direction? So the count will be here. So if it is majority of the observations are in positive side, then the green upward direction arrow will be displayed. If majority of the observations are in negative side, so the down color arrow will be there in red color. So here entire day all these 4 indices were indicated in upward direction. So even in weekly also same. So coming to monthly, so first time today Nifty was showing in upward direction. Still Bank Nifty showcasing some weakness and IT was in upward direction. So Reliance is in a sideways direction for this month. And coming to yearly data, we have strong upward direction in Nifty, Bank Nifty, IT Nifty as well as Reliance. So coming to Nifty 10, so we just taken the top 10 heavyweights in Nifty. So HDFC Bank, Reliance, ICICI Bank, Infosys, ITC, L&T, TCS, Bharti Airtel, Axis Bank and SBI. So all these 15 observations will be checked by our application, and majority, if it is in positive direction, it is showing upward direction of upward arrow, and if majority is in downward direction, it will show in red color arrow. And if no much observations meets either upside or downside, then definitely this tilt arrow will be there, so that will be indecisiveness. So that's all about this application. So tomorrow we'll meet in the next analysis part. Thank you so much.